October 25th, 26th, 27th, we have a property show in Hitex. Last 3 years, we have conducted one of the best property shows in Hyderabad. Our property show has become a benchmark for any other property show in India, we can say. To visit this property show, it's not only the property buyers, it is the people who want to plan their future, who want to buy in future. They will also come to this property show to know about Hyderabad and Hyderabad real estate, whether it is in housing or commercial or a plot. Anything you will get under the one roof. Apart from only property buyers, even multinational companies who wanted to establish their outlets, who wanted to know about the catchment of Hyderabad and what will be the future catchment, what kind of development Hyderabad is going to get for next 4 or 5 years, what are the projects, what are the ranges. To know about these things, all the multinational companies are coming to this property show. And we spoke to a couple of multinational companies who have been saying us this property show is helping them a lot to know about Hyderabad real estate and to establish their outlets and the range of outlets which they wanted to plan in future. It's completely helping them. Instead of their people going around Hyderabad and knowing about Hyderabad for months together, if they spend 2 days in this property show, they are able to get the complete information about Hyderabad, existing project, future projects and proposed project. All the angles it is covering. So we request all the people of Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh to visit this property show compulsorily. It is not that you wanted to buy property today. You may plan it for future. Even for that, you will know which is the best place to invest and which is the best place to live. And even to invest in commercial properties also, you will know what it is and what kind of offices, what kind of infrastructure we are getting all around Hyderabad. You will get the information, complete information regarding the Hyderabad, you will get in this property show. We request all the people to visit this property show and have the knowledge of Hyderabad. It is a branding Hyderabad. It is not just a property show. It is a brand Hyderabad. For visitors, there is no entry fees. Only they have to register their entry. For all the visitors, we have a bumper draw every day. Bumper draw will be one car every day. And apart from that, every 2 hours we have another draws wherein we have gold and silver coins for the women who are visiting here. And it's a wonderful experience. It is not just a property show. It is a good experience and people all over, I can say all over the world, Telugu living people all over the world are planning their dates. Most of the people who have visited last 2 years exhibitions, they were asking us when are the dates because we wanted to plan our holiday during that time. This is the kind of response we have for this property show. Thank you.